This video walks you through on how to remove the Get Outlook for iOS signature that comes that comes with any email you send from Outlook Mobile. All right, you are going to remove it. It's kind of watermark, but I don't like it. So for you to do that, first tap on your Outlook Mobile application. Once it opens, the next step is to tap on your profile icon, which is likely to be at the top right. On tapping that, tap on Settings. Once you're here, you will see the Signature section. Tap there, okay? On tapping there, you will see Get Outlook for iOS as the signature. So I want us to remove it. So tap inside there and then tap at the front of that text, or the last text, and clear it. All right? Okay, it is cleared. So in this case, if maybe you want to add your own signature or maybe your own text, let's say Godwin Tech writes, okay? Godwin Tech writes, okay? You can see that's my own signature in this case. I can tap on the tick sign and save. But if I don't want anything at all, I'll clear it. All right, then I will save by tapping on the tick sign at the top right. Or maybe I have an image I want to add. I will tap on this image icon. This opens a part of my phone. I will pick the image I want to add, all right, as my own signature. But I don't want that, okay? I'll close this. So I want everything to be clean. I don't want that advert that is, you should get your own Outlook mobile app from the iOS store or anything. I don't want that, okay? So after that, tap on the tick sign. Then it says, e.g., your name, comma, profession. I don't want that, please. I'll get back. And this signature is gone. So let's experiment. I will tap on this compose email section and send to contact Godwin Tech. So I'll tap on the name and I will say sample email, sample. Let's say check out, all right? Check out this, check this out. Then after that, I'll tap on the send button. All right, so I'm the owner of that email. So once it comes in, I will get a notification. All right, look at it here. So I'll tap. And you can see it only carries the check this out without that watermark of Get Outlook for iOS. I don't like that, okay? If you consider this video helpful, just consider subscribing. See you some other time.